Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huawei Nova 11 Pro device. And now I'm gonna show you how to turn on or how to turn off camera grid lines on this device. First, need to open the camera application and click on the settings button. Then scroll down and here you will see the assistive grid. And now when we have enabled the assistive grid, as you can see here we have the grid lines on our photo to help us improve our photography skills. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.